start to see the first of the many vineyards that seemingly stretch endlessly for here. And today, these drivers will try to squeeze everything out of their cars, much like these vintners do, to make their product today.
We're getting set to go. 110 laps in the Toyota Save Mart 350. The green flag is out. Robbie Gordon has really been making the moves, Doug. He's trying to make all of the passes he can, going down into turn number 11.
Clear by 2, Rob. Take care of your stuff. Time's going so slow, it's ridiculous.
Still clear. They're all clear. He's looking inside. He's coming inside there. He's got a nose right there.
Jimmy Johnson went to the inside of Casey Kane going down into turn 11. He set him up.
Back running fourth. Doing a good job. Go easy on the brakes. Easy on the brakes. Keep that tire round.
Tumbles when I get on the gas. 10-4 on the carburation, dude. You're only a couple tenths off the leader. You're doing a good job.
Marcos Ambrose having a great run here today at Infineon Raceway.
Too loose. It's more forward bind, more side bind. 10-4, buddy. I'll work on the power down right here, okay?
The front's not getting any worse, just the back's giving up more.
Car's tighter everywhere. I can't change directions no more.
Greg Biffle goes off course.
Stay low and dig, stay low and dig. Come on, 18's beside you. This is the point in the race where it sucks. Just nothing right now.
It's a drag race. I haven't seen this before, but beautiful job by Gilliland. He takes the third spot.
I was impressed with that 38. He actually had more left than I thought he did.
I'm going to tell you what. He's fast. Doing good, bud. 3.5 second lead.
We've got a car spinning off course. That is the Marcos Ambrose machine.
21 finally got it.
Yeah, he deserved it, probably. When he hit me, I broke the gearbox.
All right. Oh, yeah, we're done.
Oh, Harvick goes in. Harvick just took out 4 guys. Kyle Busch, a commanding lead. Very smooth through turn number 2. Now he sets himself up in the way here at Infineon.
All right, white flag right here. Driving away there, bud.
Kyle Busch started 30th. He leads the most laps, and he will win the Toyota Save Mart 350.
You boys are number 1. Good job, guys. Everybody on this race team way to rebound from bad start of the weekend.